In this video of NCIER Campus, we're going to talk about radio operations. You see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen our radio. It is a 7-channel system. We have 6 radio channels that are designed very much to operate like traditional public safety radio channels. And then channel 7 is the one that we use for our public address system here within the building. So when the instructors are talking, or if you are interacting with the instructors and have questions, you can use the PA system as well to be able to be heard by everyone. The operation is fairly simple. To transmit, you simply hold down your right mouse button, and you'll see as I do that the red light comes on. The transmit button on the radio goes in, and we are transmitting over channel 7 right now, which is our PA channel. When I release the right mouse button, the transmission ends. To change channels, you simply use the numbers on your keyboard. So I'm going to go to channel 1 by pressing 1. You'll see that the light goes yellow for just about a second or so. The audio will not work while it's in the middle of changing channels, and once that yellow goes out, it tells you that the radio is ready to go. So again, we right-click, and now we're transmitting on channel 1. When we're receiving radio traffic, the little LED on the radio will turn green. To go to channel 4, I would simply hit 4. And to go back to channel 7, I'm going to push 7 again. And that's really all there is to the radio. Now, to control your radio volume, you use the plus and minus key on your keyboard right next to the 0 key and the backspace key. So to turn the volume up, you tap the plus. To turn the volume down, you tap the minus. And it's that simple.